Welcome to part number 4. It's a trail. It's a railroad. 0.5 means I've walked 5 kilometers. Whoo! That's just so fucking awesome. I got more than $0 in my pocket. Oh, what's this? Huh. This is just so fucking beautiful. I could live out here. This is not the city. Oh, just so beautiful. I'd take my first date here. Literally, I probably would, though. It's just so awesome. It's only a pedestrian bridge there, eh? I don't know if you find the name of it. Maybe if you keep walking this way. Maybe it'll tell you.
You're gonna walk on the stone and take a picture of the side.
Nope, doesn't tell you. And this is the beautiful Ivy Park. See, Ivy Park.
I don't know what this is.
That is just so fucking cool. Oh my goodness. I can live out here, I swear to God. This is in London though, eh? Oh, beautiful. Just a beautiful, beautiful city. If you walk through the trails, you will understand that when you do. Well, apparently we're lost. So, that's...
Yeah, you're Mr. Well, we're not even gonna make it there. We're gonna get there and have to leave.
Oh, well.
What?
At least we had a nice walk. That's why we should have went to Silverwoods, because we know where it is. Nope. No one likes to listen to me.